Hello, it's Markham Orthographic here from Markham 3D, and today we're going to talk about the knife tool. So I'm going to start off, I'm just going to delete this cube. I'm going to do Shift A and I'm going to add in a sphere. Now, to use a knife tool, you go into edit mode, and I'm going to show you two things first. So enable the knife tool, you press K, and then this will show where each edge will be intersected, and it will snap to the vertices as well. So I'm just going to left click here, and I'm just going to do a slice, left click to end the slice, but it's still going. So I got to press enter to finish it off. So at the moment I've got this nice slice, but it did not go all the way through. So to do a cut that goes all the way through, I'm going to press K, left click, and I'm also going to press the Z button to cut all the way through. So I'm going to left click again and press enter, and now we can see that this line here goes all the way through. So let's now just get rid of this sphere and we'll just start again. Back into edit mode. The next thing we can do is if we want to make a straight cut directly, so especially if we're in orthographic mode, I'm going to press K, left click, and as you can see, I've got free range here. I'm going to press C to lock it. And what this does is it locks it to 45-degree increments. So this is how you can get perfect straight down the line cut, down the orthographic view cut, directly down Z, and we'll press left click and enter. Once again, I did not press the Z key, so we only get half a circle. So if we come back to this side, we can do K, left click, C to go all the way down, Z to go all the way through, and enter. So now we've pretty much cut out a circle out of a sphere, which is pretty cool. All this information, if you ever get lost, is down the bottom here. So we've got space, enter to confirm, left mouse to cut, new cuts, midpoint snapping, ignore snap. Pretty much everything we kind of went through briefly, but I find that I mainly just use K, Z, C to make straight cuts. Blop, enter. Didn't go through. Dang it! Please make sure you hit subscribe just to keep up to date with any videos that I upload every Monday and Friday.